Hello everyone, this printer is Epson ECOTANK ET-2860. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan with this printer. This printer uses ink tank and the number is 104, black, cyan, magenta and yellow. What I want to show you is for us to install the ink tank. Open up this corner. The ink tank is positioned on your right side and you will see the number. Cyan is the first on the right, followed by magenta, yellow and BK. To install the ink, you need to open up this. Open up, then you take particular one. We will start from cyan. So for ink tank is included in the packaging. Then you go in. If you look, you will see the ink is coming up. Okay, so this is cyan, then the next followed by magenta, this is magenta. Then followed by yellow. It's yellow. The last but not the least is black BK. Then you go in. You keep an eye on the measurement. Yellow. This is how to install the ink tank. Then if you look on the screen here, the levels are full. Once you load the ink tank, then you press the cancel button for 5 seconds for the printer to start charging the ink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you release it. Confirm that the tank are filled with ink. Then hold down the cancel button for 5 seconds to start charging ink. Charging ink take about 11 minutes. So this will take about 11 minutes. So what it's doing now is charging the ink. So once you press this for 5 seconds, this button, then the light will be flashing. So it will take about 11 minutes for the ink to be charged. So what it's doing now is charging the ink. So this process will take about 11 minutes. Here we go, and the light is gone off. So once the charging finishes, the light that was on the ink will go off. Thank you.